Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the System Reserved Partition issue in Windows 11 step by step. Don't worry if you have zero technical knowledge, just follow exactly what I do on the screen and you'll be fine. This issue usually appears when Windows updates fail or when you see an error saying System Reserved Partition is full. Let's start. First, click on the Start button and type "This PC." Right-click on This PC and select Manage. Now a new window will open. From the left side, click on Disk Management. Give it a few seconds to load. Here, you'll see different partitions of your hard drive. Look carefully for a small partition named System Reserved. It is usually 100 to 500 MB in size. The problem happens when this partition becomes full. Now, don't panic. We are not deleting anything important. Next, close Disk Management. Now, click on Start again. Type Command Prompt. From the search results, right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. If a pop-up appears, click Yes. Now, carefully type the following command: mount vol:/y/s. Press Enter. This command temporarily gives access to the System Reserved Partition. Now type Y. Press Enter again. Next, type cd/efi/microsoft/boot. Press Enter. Now type dir. Press Enter. You will see many files on the screen. Now we'll safely remove unnecessary font files that take space. Type this command: del**.ttf. Press Enter. Don't worry, this is safe and commonly used to fix this issue. Once done, type exit and press Enter. Now restart your computer. After restarting, try running Windows Update again. In most cases, the System Reserved Partition error will be fixed. If the problem still exists, you may need to extend the System Reserved Partition using third-party tools like Minitool or EaseUS, but that's a more advanced method and not required for most users. And that's it. This is how you can fix the System Reserved Partition issue in Windows 11 even if you have no technical knowledge. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more simple Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.